What up, guys? So today we're not doing shit. This is just the update on the Trailblazer. Pretty much the same shit I told you the other day. I haven't worked on it yet. I did do the rear lift, so 3 inches, heavy duty struts, and I did the undercoating on the back drive shaft and that whole area. I'm gonna plastic bag up a few things. My jack, because it's gonna rain here for the next like 5 days. I was gonna work on it today, but I can't now. I'm waiting on my headlights anyway, so I don't really give a fuck. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit too, just because it is gonna be a while, and these are all new tools. I didn't expect to be having this shit sit, but let's give it a start up real quick. I'm gonna let the shit run, because I haven't started in a few days, while I bag up everything I need to. Now we'll talk about it. That's what it looks like. 3-inch lift. I got the 2-inch wheel spaces. I'm gonna get new tires. But yes, with the 3-inch lift, just the heavy duty strut. You can see I laid this shit on thick, and man, that is hard. I love it. This is not gonna rust again. Perfect, because this is gonna be a trail monster. Don't need no rust on the frame, and it was already starting there. I get my license back next week, and when I do this, it's getting painted immediately. I'm gonna bring it to a detailer and have them detail paint out for me. Best as possible. I could do it, yeah, but I'm not trying to. Hold on. I could do it, but I'm not trying to spend 10 hours detailing this. I've done it before, and it's really not fucking fun. So, oh man, this is gonna be a bitch to get into from now on. Now it's gonna be lifted. I forgot. It's a lot higher up than it was. Quick cold start. It's been a week. Like nothing. I can't turn the steering wheel the slightest bit because I got a lot of parts off. But this thing was a fucking mess when I got it. I don't know if you guys remember. There was shit. This was a female's car, right? Turn around and talk to you real quick. So this was a female's car. And yeah, she didn't take care of it. She smoked cigarettes. She got into 2 front-end accidents with this. Yeah. But, oh yeah, and she's a big smoker. Like I said, right there, there's burn holes. But there was coffee all over the fucking place on the floor. You can see right there. Power washed it, scrubbed it for days, and let it sit with cleaner on it. It's still there. This whole thing was brown. Right down there was all brown. I remember I shampooed this shit like 3 times already. I didn't get that video. See that down there? That's what the whole car looked like. I didn't do that one spot, because that's going to be hidden, and I'll do that in the future when I take these out. But yeah, that's what the whole floor looked like, because this chick don't know what she's doing. But yeah, I'm actually saving up for, I don't know if I told you guys, I think I did, heavy duty front end, like ball joints, I guess, tie rod ends, shit like that, you know what I'm saying? So that I'm gonna be ordering probably within a month. I'm definitely doing that before the road trip. So, but yeah, I'm getting that, and I'm also getting a front bumper, because you guys know I replaced the fender and bumper shot. I'm getting a metal bumper, so my departure angle is a lot better. Like right now, the bumper's at the tip, my tires at my knuckles on my hand where I'm bending it. Departure angle is like this right now. I get a bumper that's higher up, like this, closer to my tire. The closer I get to a wall, I can go up easier, you know what I'm saying? I shouldn't have to explain that to you. If you guys off-road, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah. So what I'm going to do right now is, I'm not doing this on camera. I'm going to bag up the jack, put a bag over the jack. Also put a bag over the, what's it called? The steering knuckle down here. So when it rains out the next 5 days, it doesn't rust any further, because I hit that with a hammer multiple times, and it rained out in the past week, and it rusted a little bit, a little surface rust. So I'm just going to cover that shit up. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below in the comments if you have any ideas or what I should do to this. But yeah, or any tips on how to get that front strut in with the 3-inch lift on top of it, because I have 0 room. But remember to comment, rate, subscribe, follow me on IG. That'll be in the comment section pinned at the top. Yeah. There's a lot of videos coming on this truck, I promise you that. They're going to be road trips. There's going to be camping trips in this. I'm going to do some overlanding with it. this is why I'm building everything right now at once, because I'm trying to get it ready for the trails. Yeah, but I'm gonna have that, and just countless project videos on this thing. So yeah, remember to comment, subscribe, follow me on IG. Like I said, it'll be pinned down below in the comment section. Peace.